Welcome to Blue Star High Secondary School students. This is the class for 6th standard Social Science. Our topic is government. Okay, what is government? Yes. Today in this class we are going to see the classwork. Okay, yes. In our classwork, first part is 1 mark. There are 4 fill in the blanks are there. Then 4 match the following. Then 4 true or false. Then the second part is 2 marks. In the first part, there are 3 types of 1 marks are there. You are going to get PDF. Next, I want to show the classwork to you. Okay, just listen what are the topics I am reading now. Okay, first part in this classwork, that is called 1 mark. A section is fill in the blanks, then B is match the following, then the 3 is C is true or false. In the second part, 2 marks, there are 3 2 marks. Then the third part, there are 3 marks. 3 marks are there, then 1 5 mark. Then the last part we are going to have a meaning. Okay, let us see the classwork. You are going to get a PDF part. Okay, yes. 1 mark part. Now I am going to read the 2 marks. Government make laws for everyone to follow. Your answer is laws. Government make dash for everyone to follow. Answer is laws. The second one, the term suffrage means a dash, a right to vote. The term suffrage means a right to vote. Then the third one, courts are also part of government. Courts are also the part of government. Here the answer is courts. Then 2 types of governments are dash and dash. Answer is democratic and monarchy. 2 types of governments are democratic and monarchy. Okay. Let us see the spellings for the answers. First one. Answer is laws. Say the spelling with me. Say along with me. Laws. L-A-W-S. Laws. Then the second one, a right to vote. I am reading only the answer part for fill in the blanks. Okay. Right to vote. That means voting right. Okay. Or I-G-H-T. Right. T-O-V-O-T-E. Vote. Right to vote. Okay. Then the third one, courts. Courts means nothing but High Court, Supreme Court. We used to see that word. No, that is. Okay. Answer is courts. C-O-U-R-T-S. Courts is the answer for you. Okay. Then the next one. Democratic and a monarchy. Democratic. D-E-M-O-C-R-A-T-I-C. Democratic. Okay. Monarchy. M-O-N-A-R-C-H-Y. Monarchy. These are the answers. Once again, can I ask the question to you? Phillips, try to give the answers and keep a rough paper with you and try to write the spelling of the answers what I am going to tell now. Okay. Government make dash for everyone to follow. Can you got the answer? Yes, you are right. That is laws. Then the second one. The term suffrage means dash. Answer is right to vote. Third one. Dash are also part of government. Courts. Fourth one. 2 types of governments are dash and dash. That is democratic and monarchy. Okay. This is the first part of 1 mark. Okay. Now we are going to see the second part of 1 mark. You used to see the question part. The next part I am going to show afterwards. Okay. Now first I am going to read the questions for match the following. Yes. Right to vote for women in USA. For 4 questions, you have to write the yes, only the yes. Right to vote for women in UK. Journal Young India. Indian independence. Now I am going to show the answer to you. Right to vote for women in USA is 1920. Now the answer is 1920. Second one in 1928. Third one 1931. Then fourth one 1947. Yes. Okay, now I am going to give the year to you. Take a paper and write the years. 1920, 1928, 1931 and 1947. This is the answer parts for the match the following to you. Now we are going to see the next part of 1 mark, that is true or false. You have to find the statement true or false. Okay, and you just listen. Now I am going to read the question answers part only. You are going to get a PDF. You open the PDF and keep with you. Okay, then monarchy is a government chosen by the people of the country. Yes, monarchy means kingship. So the statement is false. Governments in the past allowed uneducated poor and women to vote. Government in the past allowed uneducated poor and women to vote. Statement is false. The local government works at village, town level. Answer is true. Then driving without license is against the law. Yes, it is against the law only, no. We have to drive with license. Okay, so the statement is true. Driving without license is against the law. The statement is true. Okay, yes. Shall we see the 2 marks? Yes. Give some examples of the institutions of the government. Railways, Supreme Court of India, Bharat Petroleum, National Highways Authority of India. These are the institutions of the government. What are the institutions of the government? Railways, Supreme Court of India, Bharat Petroleum, National Highways Authority of India. Then the second one. How can a government function? The government functions at 3 levels. They are national, state and local. I already say no. The government functions at 3 levels. They are national, state and local. Then it makes laws for the people. What are the 2 main features of a democracy? Now we are going to see the features of democracy. People elect their leaders. People elect their leaders. It is a rule by the people. People participate in decision making through their representatives. People participate in decision making through their representatives. These 3 are the 2 marks part. Okay, I am going to read now the 3 marks part for you. Yes. Name different levels at which the government works. Name different levels at which the government works. Government works at 3 levels. That now only I shall know. National, state and local level. National, the entire country. National, entire country. Can you use to say some example? Any country. Okay, then good example is India. Yes. The state level, entire state, like the name of the states, Haryana, Punjab, like that. Okay, whatever it may be. You can choose the states within the country. Yes, local level, village and town. Okay, shall I say the examples? National level, entire country. State level, any states. Okay, local level, village and town. Let us see the next question. Why are some rules to be made? Some rules are to be made that supply of all because of the following reasons. To control the resources. To control the resources. To protect the boundaries of the country. To protect the boundaries of the country. To secure the life of the people. To secure the life of the people. Okay. Yes. Now the rules we are going to see again. First, to control the resources. To protect the boundaries of the country, within our country. To secure the life of the people. These three are very, very important. Okay. Then the third question. What was suffragette movement? During the First World War, the movement for right to vote for the woman got strengthened. This was known as suffragette. First, they demanded a right to vote. And the movement they demanded right to vote. They need a right to vote. Okay. Many went to hunger strikes. That is called. Many went to hunger strikes and were imprisoned. Imprisoned means கைது செய்து சிறையில் அடைக்கிறது. Okay. Many went to hunger strikes and were imprisoned. Why the people are suffering like that? To get a right to vote. Actually getting right vote is a important thing in everyone human's life. Okay. So it is our right. For that only they are fighting. Yes. They demanded a right to vote. Many went to hunger strikes and were imprisoned. This is very important. Shall I read this again? They demanded right to vote, and for that they went to where? Imprison. Okay, they got imprisoned. They got punishments for their right. Yes. Shall I read the 5-mark part? Yes. What are the two types of government? First one is that two types of governments are democratic and monarchy. Then democracy. People choose their representatives. In a democracy, people choose their representatives through voting and give them power. Through voting and give them power. Government has to explain its actions and decisions to people. Government acts to explain its actions and decisions to people. In a democracy. Why? Because government of the people, by the people, for the people. மக்களுக்காக மக்களால் மக்களே ஆட்சி செய்வதனால் they have to explain its actions and decisions to the people. The people have to accept this. Okay. Then monarchy. The king or the queen has the power to take decisions and run the government. The king or the queen has a power to take decisions and run the government. They do not have to explain their actions to the citizens. In a monarchy, kingship, கிங் என்ன செய்கிறாங்க அப்படின்றத மக்களுக்கு அவங்க எடுத்து சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியம் இருக்காது. பட் டெமோக்ரஸியில் என்ன செய்கிறாங்க மினிஸ்டர்ஸ்ன்றது மக்களுக்கு அவங்க சொல்லணும் இல்லையா? ஓகே. This is the difference between the democracy and a monarchy. They do not have to explain their actions to the citizens. This is under the heading of monarchy. Okay. Yes. Last part of the classwork is meanings. Yes. Government. It is the organization which takes decisions and makes laws for the welfare of its people. It is the organization which takes decisions and makes laws for the welfare of its people. First one. Okay. Topic of the meaning is government. Next one. Universal adult franchise. The voting right in which all adults take part in voting and electing their government. The voting right in which all the adults take part in voting and electing their government is called UAF. Yes. I hope all of you understand this lesson well. Okay, while you are going to write the classwork, you have to draw the 3 lines. Take a fresh page, draw 3 lines. Topic of the lesson is what is government. Okay, write in middle line you should write the topic. Then Roman letter 1, 1 mark. In the next line you have to write within black pen. Use black pen to write 1 mark. Then A, Roman letter 1, 1 mark. The next lesson, write A point. Then that is called fill in the blanks. Okay, leave one line and write. How many fill-ups I told you write? 4 fill-ups are there. Okay, one by one you have to write. Then the next part B, that is called match the following. There are 4 match the following questions are there. Answer part you are going to get only the years, not the answers like a statement. For example, right to vote for woman in UK. The year is 1928. Actually this is your match the following, and also it is called the year and events also. Okay, so match the following answer side you are going to get only the years. After that leave one line and write number C. Use black pen. Then while you are going to write the statements only, you are going to write in a blue pen. Okay, true or false. Then there are 4 things are there. One by one you write the questions with the black pen and answers. That means false, true. That is use blue pen. Okay, then leave one line. Then the second part, the first part 3 over. Okay, first part la A, B, C subdivisions are there. A fill-ups, B B match the following, then C true or false. Okay, then 2 marks. In 2 marks there are 3 question answers for you, 3 2 marks for you. Use black pen to write the questions and use blue pen to write the answers. Then part 3, 3 marks are there. And then 3 marks, first question, there are definitions you are going to write. That is called national level, state level, local level. In that national, state, local, these you are going to write at the heading. Use black pen. Okay. Then the example you have to write. Write one village, name of a village. Yes, now national level means give an example. Okay, that is your choice. Any country, name of one country. Then name of any one state. Then name of the local means the village. Okay, any village. If you know the name, you write for example. Okay, then 5 mark part. There are 2 headings, subheadings are there. Use black pen to write the subheadings. Then answer part you have to 2 points are there. Okay. Then the meanings. Topic of a meaning you have to write within black pen. Then the definitions. That means answer for meanings you have to use the blue pen. Okay. After completion of one Roman letter, every Roman letter. That means for example, first Roman letter there are 3 parts. No. After completion of a 4 fill-ups, draw 1 line. Then 4 match the following over means draw 1 line. Then 4 true or false over means draw 1 line. Then 2 marks over means draw 1 line. Then 3 marks 3 over means draw 1 line. At last 5 mark you have to highlight the democracy and monarchy to subtopics. Highlight the subtopics. Okay, then write meanings at the last one. Both the meanings are very, very important. It contains 2 marks. Okay. This time I am going to give 2 marks for each meaning. Okay. Yes. I hope all of you understand this lesson well. Okay. Watch the video. Then listen. Remember all the points. What are the points I tell in this? Then I am showing the classwork. Your note is ruled note only. Okay, write neatly. Keep the classwork safe and read then and there the question and answers. If you completed the question answers part means you take 1 mark. You have to read 1 mark one day, then 2 marks one day, then 3 marks another day, then keep a 5 mark another day. Okay, you fix a time and read, and then and there you have to complete the classwork. Thank you, children.